Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a lot of things. However, I need to start out in my bedroom. It is so dusty. If you've been here before, you already know that I always have some serious issues with the dust in my house. I live in a dust bucket. I'm dusting with this handy dandy duster that I got from Dollar Tree. Imagine that. Dollar Tree is one of my go-to places to pick up random cleaning supplies. Something to remember when you're cleaning your home or when you're dusting, always start at the top and work your way down. Remember, everything's going to fall downward and you don't want to have to double do your work. We want to work smart and not hard.
Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure.
As long as I've had these clocks on our nightstands, I've never added a battery. Friendly reminder, if you are a seasonal battery changer, go ahead and change your batteries. You are so very welcome.
Like you can. I just need some closure. A little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure. Like you to me, babe. I just need some closure.
When you're at your house cleaning, what do you normally stream on your TV? Please don't forget that you can stream Kim at Home on YouTube. You will have great cleaning motivation and tips to get you through. I am completely and utterly obsessed with the little red trucks. I'm so glad I found this really cute candle. Yes, I'm aware it doesn't go together symmetrically, but it's cute and you should decorate your home the way that you'd like it. Keep it all the way 100. I could not find a candle that was large enough to go with this, so this is what we're going with.
If I say the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. I need some closure, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure.
If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I always spell my name like when I welcome people, even though people still spell it incorrectly in the comments. Anyway, on my channel, it is all things home. So whether it be cooking, cleaning, changing brakes, changing tires, all of the above. I also like to provide you with tips on cleaning, tips on cooking, and life tips because I receive life tips daily and I'd like to share those with you. Before you leave out, please consider subscribing and join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. We're just trying to keep up with work-life balance and everything else in between.
I got legs for days and weeks, stalk me. Make up a reason to abandon me, please. All you gotta do is play right. Keep to the left.
When you're moving around furniture, you want to stand at different angles in your room and actually sit there as well, just to see if you like it, just to see if it goes well. And it does.
Change into a passive voice and run me down, run me down.
Don't forget to get behind those doors. Sometimes it's out of sight, out of mind, and we need a little reminder. The room has been picked up, the floor is vacuumed, the bed's been made. The only thing that's missing on the bed is the covers to the pillow that I had to actually wash. You guys, I washed clothes today. Things I'm going to do in this bathroom today. I want to clean the shower out. Overall, the shower doesn't really look bad. I spray it out every day. However, I do not scrub it every day. I also want to clean out this bathtub. It looks so clean right now, doesn't it? Just wait until you see, there's my scrub brush, how much dust is in this bathtub. It's really, really gross. And I have to do my cabinets. Yeah. So what I'm going to be using is this Dawn Power Wash for the shower doors. There's only a little bit in here, but I have another refill downstairs. And guess what I did right after this? I threw the spray cartridge away. And I just said I had a refill. And to top it off, I did not even realize until I was editing this video. But if you have any type of soap scum buildup, Dawn Power Wash is your friend with vinegar. Always got to use vinegar. All cleaning products used are listed below in the description box. The camera doesn't always pick up the dust that's left on like your cabinets, your white bathtubs. White is the color that you want to use if you don't want to clean your house on a regular basis and you don't want it to look dirty. But trust me when I tell you, the bathtub was very dusty. I really like adding little Christmas touches all around the house. I'm very minimal, but I think it's really cute. I've already cleaned the countertops because I do that every morning after I get out the shower. And let's not talk about those clothes right there because I actually have to do laundry because my husband's not here, nor is my daughter. They're going to be gone for a while, so maybe I should leave that responsibility up to my 10-year-old. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. How are you doing today? What are you working on? I know you're busy shopping. Or if you're ahead of the game, you better get it, girl. These cabinets were painted by me sometime last year in 2020, can't remember the exact timeline. The paint that I used is cabinet and furniture paint. It requires you to just wipe it off with water. However, this is a bathroom. We're gonna use some disinfectant and get this wiped up. And vinegar is a natural disinfectant. If you don't know, now you know.
Let's sneak out together, baby. Oh, and spend some time, just you and me. I wanna set you free when no one else is there to see. Everybody knows you're a lady, yeah. But your eyes are telling me that there is more to see. Let's make our own destiny. Let's sneak out.
There is nothing like using a clean bathroom. It really just makes me feel good. This is just completely and utterly disrespectful. All of the clothes that I have to wash. Where are they doing that at? Anyway. If you're new here, I am not the girl who likes to do laundry at all, period, point blank whatsoever. My husband does laundry and I clean the toilets. There's 3 of them. I feel like that's an even exchange and it works for us. Did you know that vinegar is good as a fabric softener as well? You should try it out one day. And the experts say that fabric softener clogs up your arteries. Not arteries, you know, your like washer arteries. That's what I'm talking about.
Here and now, let's leave this room full of strangers.
Naturally, this vent is really, really dusty because it's right outside of the laundry room. But again, my house is dusty all over. Peep out that little truck in the picture. I absolutely love it, even though it's not red. However, this one is. And it even has a cute little bike on the back.
It's you and me.
kids' bathroom, but I'm only gonna do a couple things because this is not my bathroom. I don't use it, and they need to learn responsibilities. Period. Okay. We're gonna start off with the mirrors, and I'm gonna use some Sprayway glass cleaner. What type of plans do you guys have for Christmas? Do you do things with your extended family or just your immediate family? Leave a comment down below. I really like this shelf in the bathroom. I installed it probably about 6 months ago. I stained it last year and then finally installed it, but I think it looks really good and it's a great addition to their bathroom since the walls are like so bare in there.
Never gonna let you go, never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go, never gonna let you go. Oh.
This is my daughter's from 2005. Cute. I'm gonna wipe the counters off with vinegar.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this.
It would not be a Kim at Home video without a proper sink floss.
I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go on.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much. I do not take it lightly. I know I say that every time, but I'm very, very thankful for all of you, and I'm so thankful that you took out the time to watch my video. Before you leave out, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. What are you waiting for? So I didn't do much in here because it's not my bathroom. And like I said, kids need responsibilities in life. So they can clean a mirror, they can clean off the countertop, they can hang a towel. It literally took me about 10 minutes to do it. And I also cleaned off the toilet off camera and the actual, what do you call this thing? Vanity, that's it. Naturally, since I try not to even walk past my laundry room, I forgot that these clothes were in the washer, so I'm just changing them out quickly. I realized that I did laundry and had left it in the dryer. I forgot to put this on my actual pillow. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that's what it looks like. But it's bedtime. It's like midnight. So look in that mirror and say, I am a champion, I am a warrior, and I am loved. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.